Hey guys, this is Josh and welcome to Oxman Racing. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more automotive content just like this. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a special story. So I had Jamie reach out to me, who's part of the 777 Drift team. I think it was August of last year. He needed a transmission bushing. So he just had his transmission rebuilt for his Drift Mustang, and after the transmission was rebuilt, the company forgot to give him the bushing back. So he reached out to me. He had a drift event the next day. He was putting the transmission back in the car. I sell Mustang car parts on the side. That's Milwaukee Mustang Auto Parts on Facebook. And I also have an eBay store, so I sell Mustang car parts. So he reached out and he said, hey man, do you have this transmission bushing? I really need it. Like right now, because he lives in Madison and I was in Milwaukee, so it was about a 1.5 hour drive. But he's very desperate, very motivated, drift racer, so he really needed that part. So he actually drove all the way out to Milwaukee to get that part. But the problem was I wasn't home. My full-time job requires me to be away from my house for long periods of time. So I told him, no, I can't do it till tomorrow. But he said, hey, please, like, is there any way I can work this out? So I just had him come to my house, and I actually had an engine, transmission, Coyote Gen 3 package that was on a pallet in my driveway. I was watching him on my Ring camera, just make sure no funny business, because this is a complete stranger. I've never met this guy. So he paid $50 for this transmission bushing, and he put it underneath a rock at my front door. My wife was home, so it was like hands-free for her. She didn't have to do anything, but he brought all the tools, and he was able to get that transmission bushing off, and I was able to help him out so he can put his transmission and the drive shaft back together so that he can go to his drift racing event the next day in Illinois. So I'm glad I was able to help him out. So fast forward to, I believe it was, 2025 in October for Cruise for a Cause. The 777 Drift team Mustangs were there. I believe it's Chris Hill who has the same color Mustang. His has like neon yellow, and then both have these really cool looking body kits, these wide tire body kits that go on their car. Just doesn't really look like an S550 Mustang. This looks like something futuristic, really cool drift cars. And he was like, hey man, you hooked me up, I'm gonna hook you up. We'll go for a ride in the drift car. So I got a free ride in the drift car, which was really cool. I don't know, they charged for a ride along. It was like $50 to $100. And I also bought a t-shirt afterwards of in support of their drift team. So I think it was really cool that they showed up for Cruise for a Cause. But yeah, here's some video of the drift racing around at Cruise for a Cause in 2025. So hope you enjoy the video. Alright guys, gonna wrap up this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more automotive racing videos just like this. If you have any comments or questions, comment down below, answer them the best I can. Make sure you check out my other YouTube channels, Oxman Garage and Oxman DIY, if you want to see any more automotive and home improvement videos. So we'll catch you guys on the next one. This is Josh with Oxman Garage.